If you want to learn how to make video pins, then this week's tech tutorial is for you. I'm going to show you how to create video pins right inside of your Canva dashboard, so there's no third-party tools, there's no downloading your template from Canva and then trying to hack it all together. No, we're going to make a video pin right inside of Canva, and I'm going to show you how. So if you're interested in that, stick around. Hey there, I'm Heather Ferris and I run a Pinterest marketing agency and education company helping creators just like you to increase their sales, increase their email list subscribers, and their website traffic using Pinterest. It's like the cousin that was put on the back burner and never thought about or invited to the sleepovers. Pinterest is that cousin, okay? She is there for you and I want to help you to make the most of this platform. So let's dive into today's quick tech tutorial all about Pinterest video pins, that is. Hello and welcome to my Canva dashboard. So I'm going to show you how to create those video pins that I was talking about. And to start out, I just created some pins earlier today where I was sending people to YouTube videos. Now, you can do this by uploading your video right into your Canva dashboard. You just simply have to upload it here. I don't think I've uploaded a recent video, but I don't need one of my videos to actually show you how this works. So all you want to do is actually just, well, you want to find a video. So let me find a video. Okay, good. So I have one here where I'm actually showing people how to use Canva. We will pretend that this video is actually my video that I'm wanting to talk about for this pin, right? So this is we want to get rid of the frames. We don't want any of the grids that I teach and I talk about in any of my other tutorials. I always add a grid to the background. You can find those here. We do not want a grid. So upload your video to Canva. You can find it in your uploads, or if you put it in a folder and go to videos and then just add it to your pin design. And then all you want to do is make it bigger. So we're going to move my logo here. And then we're just going to make this bigger. Now there's some like space here. So we want to maybe get rid of that space. And you can do that just by bringing the Pinterest the background down. So this is just a rectangle that I already had in here. So you can bring that down, or if you wanted to, change the template entirely, all you have to do is, shrink your text up, and then you can bring this up here. Then you can add a call to action to the bottom as well. So if I move my face right here, and this is a plus sign, it'll duplicate your text and you can edit it. So visit on YouTube for more. And then I'll bring it out and I'll shrink it down. And then you can put this call to action down here. Visit us on YouTube for more tips. And now you have, you filled it out and there's no blank space. And when you download this, it will download as an MP4 file. Now, I'm going to move my face again. I'm moving my face all over the screen. I want to show you really quick how you can edit videos right inside of your Canva dashboard. So if you click on the video itself, if you click the scissor crop button, click this button, and then you can crop the video to be shorter if you want to. Like if you only wanted it to be the first 30 seconds of your YouTube video or the first 30 seconds of your live on Facebook, whatever it is. You can crop that right here and make it shorter. Something else that you can do right inside of here is turn your sound on and off. So if you wanted to adjust the sound on your video, you can do that here as well. And I'm going to show you another really quick tip. So this is how I usually send static pins to my YouTube videos. But again, we can just put that video on down here. And you can have an arrow, you can change this up as much as you want. But I wanted to show you that Canva has a video library inside of their dashboard. So it's right down here. If you click videos, let's say you're in the travel blogging niche and you wanted to grab like a travel type video. All you need to do is search for whatever you want, and then you can grab that video. Now, the videos in this are only for pro users, so if you don't have a pro account, you're not going to be able to do it. But like this video is of this woman taking a picture. It's just 26 seconds long. She's taking a photo. So maybe your video pin is teaching people, or your content on the other side of your video pin is teaching people how to take better photos. So that would be 5 hacks to take better photos. You change your text up, you add this video on, make sure you have some branding in there like I do right here, and then now you have a video pin. Now I want to show you a third way that you can create video pins. These are more of animated pins, but when they're uploaded to Pinterest, they're categorized as videos. You can add moving stickers. So if you go to Elements and you go to Stickers, these are just moving stickers. This one in the background is actually a sticker that I placed a still circle over it. That way it wasn't as distracting for people looking at this online. But yeah, you can add these little moving stickers to your videos or to your static pins. And then a fourth tip for creating video pins is if you're using Instagram and you want to repurpose some of your Instagram stories or your IGTVs or even your TikTok videos, upload them right into your Canva dashboard just like you would anything else. And then take a phone. So this is actually a phone element. It's just right over here inside the elements. If you go to frames, you can do this with computers too. So if you go to elements and you go to frames, there's a cell phone frame in here, and you can just add that to your screen like I did, and then you can just insert your IGTV or your long, your tall video that you have optimized for mobile devices. You can simply just upload it right into here, and now you have repurposed your tall video into a static image. So it can be any shape or size. Again, here's another example where I have a computer on the screen and I have added my video into the computer screen. So that's also a really neat way to utilize videos inside of frames and make the styling look a little bit different than what you would otherwise find. So I hope you enjoyed these quick tech tips, and I'll see you next time. Well, we have video pins and we didn't have to use any other tools. How fantastic is that? One tool, one subscription, you make your video, you put it in Canva, you slap it onto your template, and voila! It's like a delicious Italian meal that you know is the best, okay? I know you're sick of listening to me. Why don't you head on over and learn how to market those video pins in our Pinterest for Beginners playlist right here, okay? Hit the subscribe button and we'll see you next week.